Sylvester Chisholm here. It's Wednesday, so you know what that means. Another episode of Getting Over the Hump. Today I want to talk to you about respect. Dr. Seuss says a person is a person no matter how small. And Albert Einstein said everyone should be respected as an individual. And one of my most favorite respect quotes, I'm not concerned about your like or dislike for me. All I ask is that you respect me as a human being. That's from the late great Jackie Robinson. Now, I just had a conversation with my guys at work, and we were just talking about respect and how important that is. And really, my personal belief is that respect is earned. Respect is given. You don't take respect. You give respect, and in return, you should get respect back.
Stop. Put some respect on my name.
All right, I want to share a quick story with you about respect. So a few years ago, we were at one of our car washes, my buddy, my best friend, Arthur Shivers, business partner, and we were in our waiting area and we're talking to one of our customers who came in. Well, he's actually a driver for one of our customers, okay? So it was a transportation company, and this guy, he's telling us his stories. Somebody that you could easily discount, just maybe by his appearance or the way he presented himself, okay? You may think, well, you know, he's not even the boss, so why am I even talking to him or even giving him time? But in this case, we're talking to him, you know, just because that's how we try to live our lives, is being respectful. So my guy, he's talking, and he's telling us, like, you know, all his dreams. He's like, you know, man, I want to be an entrepreneur one day, and I want to have my own business. And he's like, I want to open up a nightclub. And I'm like, okay. So Arthur and I, we're like, okay, where you want to open this nightclub? And he's like, you know, I'm gonna take an old grocery store and turn it into a nightclub, you know, where the meat department is, you know, I'm gonna put the dance floor, and, you know, where the fruits and vegetables, I'm gonna put the bar. And I'm like, okay, you know, it's interesting. If that's what you want to do, give it a shot, more power to you, you know. But anyway, so he's sitting there, he was like, you know, are you guys looking for more business? Okay, we're like, yeah, always, you know, open to more business. He's like, well, you know, one of the places I pick up, there's a larger transportation company that their vehicles are always dirty, and they're always complimenting how clean my vehicle is. So give me one of your cards. So it's like, okay, you hand out business cards all the time. Gave the man the card. He left, and literally about an hour later, he called back and he's like, man, look, call these guys. I just talked to one of their drivers, and he said that their boss said call them right now because they're looking for someone to clean all of their vehicles. Okay, so we're like, wow, seriously, this happened just that fast? So we made the telephone call, followed up, you know, successes in the follow-up, did that, and wouldn't you know, maybe a few months later, we landed one of the largest transportation companies in the state of Missouri as our customer. We're talking over 150 vehicles being cleaned, you know, a couple times a month there. Now, the moral of that story, right, is not about just closing that deal, but what if we had discounted that man while he was sitting in our waiting area and didn't take the time to show him the respect that he deserved, show him the respect that he was giving to Arthur and I, and saying, well, he's not even the boss, he's just a driver. But that driver ended up putting a major account into our hands. So think about, you know, the people that you come into contact with, and really try to this week give respect, show that love, you know, show people that you care. Take time to listen to people, don't discount them, really show respect. I hope you enjoyed that. Thank you for watching another episode of Getting Over the Hump, and remember, you don't have to be great to get started, but you have to get started to be great. Peace. And like baby said, put some respect on my name.